Video title: Keep your cat's environment clean and comfortable with PETKIT PURA Max Automatic Cat Litter Box with App Control, Universal Version for multiple large cats. Scene 1: Images of happy and clean cats playing in a cozy home. Host introduction. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to introduce you to the latest innovation in cat care, the PETKIT PURA Max Automatic Cat Litter Box with App Control. If you're a cat enthusiast who cares about their comfort and cleanliness, this universal version is perfect for you, especially if you have multiple large cats. Scene 2: Shots of the PETKIT PURA Max Cat Litter Box from various angles. Host. The PETKIT PURA Max Cat Litter Box stands out with its sleek and modern design, specifically crafted to meet the needs of large cats and multi-cat households. With its automatic cleaning mechanism, you'll no longer have to worry about daily litter box maintenance. Scene 3: Images of the app connected to the cat litter box and people using it. Host. What sets this litter box apart even more is the app control feature, which you can download onto your smartphones. Through the app, you can schedule cleaning times, monitor litter levels, and receive notifications when it's time for a litter change. Scene 4: Cats happily using the litter box. Host. Furthermore, the litter box is designed for your cat's comfort. It offers ample space for larger cats and ensures privacy during their usage. Your cats will feel comfortable and secure while using this litter box. Scene 5: Summary and invitation for customers to try the product. Host. We've given you an overview of the PETKIT PURA Max Automatic Cat Litter Box with App Control, providing a clean and comfortable experience for your cats and for you. If you're looking for quality and convenience, this litter box is the ideal choice. Order it now and make your cat's environment cleaner and more comfortable. Contact information and social media handles appear at the end. Host. Thank you for watching, and feel free to follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content. See you in the upcoming videos.